Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all guys are doing well. In this video we are going to talk about Aston Martin Vantage V8 Roadster 2023. We will tell you about the interior, exterior, performance, top speed. Is it worth to buy Aston Martin Vantage V8 Roadster 2023? Before going to detail, if you are new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe button, and also don't forget to press bell icon for latest updates. Let's jump into the video without wasting your time. The 2023 Vantage is the latest convertible by Aston Martin. It competes against Aston Martin V8 Vantage Roadster, BMW i8 Roadster, Jaguar F-Type SVR convertible, and Mercedes-AMG GT Roadster. Pros. Here are the pros of Aston Martin Vantage V8 Roadster 2023. Elegant, distinguished styling, instant classic V12 model, track-ready F1 edition. We will tell you the cons at the end of this video. Engine type, 4.0 liters engine power, 503 bhp at 6,000 rpm, torque, 505 pounds-to-foot at 2,000 rpm. Fuel type, gasoline fuel. Drive type, rear-wheel drive. Gearbox, 8-speed. Body type, convertible. Available in following colors: white, yellow, bronze gold, apple green, orange, light silver, midnight blue, sky silver, onyx black, jet black, marina blue, marin black, Diablo red. Performance. Mileage in city, 18 miles per gallon. Mileage on highway, 24 miles per gallon. Fuel capacity, 19.3 gallons. Here we are discussing the features of Aston Martin Vantage V8 Roadster 2023. These features include air conditioning, glove box compartment, digital and analog display, and power steering. The infotainment features list is equipped with up-to-date features to excite technology lovers. These are AM/FM radio, auxiliary audio input device, Bluetooth, front and rear speakers. Here are the cons of Aston Martin Vantage V8 Roadster 2023. Dated infotainment. No more manual transmission. Mercedes-AMG engine shared with other. Expected price. Price in United States. Aston Martin Vantage V8 Roadster 2023 price in United States of America is $158,186. Aston Martin Vantage V8 Roadster 2023 price in Germany is DEU 145,794. Aston Martin Vantage V8 Roadster 2023 price in Norway is NOR 150,086. Aston Martin Vantage V8 Roadster 2023 price in Australia is 299,950 Australian dollars. On this channel you can find the best and most updated price of Aston Martin Vantage V8 Roadster 2023 with detailed specifications and features. Thank you so much for watching the complete video.